So there we have it, attached and standing out. I don't know that it's really appropriate to try even to match any given font exactly, for two reasons. One, we want it to stand out a little bit, but two, you'd be surprised at how different the badges on one vehicle can be between the sides and the back, etc. And so if you were to try to make it exactly the same, it would never look quite right, and it would just look wrong. So by intentionally making it obviously different, you can avoid that whole problem. But this matches well with the standard Dodge font you can see here, and I'll be trying to get some photographs of this with some other vehicles so you can really see that. But I can just see this going on to the Escalade and looking really sharp. And again, this is a mill finish, but I'm working on getting a nice, good-looking polish on it, so that way it almost looks like chrome. And we may offer both for sale. It kind of depends on what people want. Signing out. This is Nabil with Electric Dream Machine, Des Moines, Iowa.